Hi everyone, thought I would give my Horseshoe a little airing. Yeah, this is known as the Horseshoe Phone. I've had it quite a while and I thought it's about time I brought it down. I won't be showing you any of the innards, just a brief description of the phone, what it looks like, and a bit of description. It's totally different shape. The handset's different. The phone itself is obviously different, and the front of it, where it gets its name, is shaped very much like a horseshoe, and it's pointing up the right way for this country. The horseshoe, funnily enough, is thought to bring luck if it stands up this way with the opening at the top. On the continent it's the other way around. Just thought I'd put that in as a bit of extra information. We'll have a look at the actual case. Once again, it's a well made job. The base and the cords are braided cords, which would be correct for them. The handset itself is relatively light. It's relatively light, so you won't get tired using it, holding it up to your ears. Hasn't got a carrying handle, but nevertheless it's quite a nice phone. A little bit of information on it. This was first made by Siemens Brothers. That's the Siemens that were over here in England, and they made it in 1957. That's the date. This 1957 seems to be quite a good date for various things. Well, this phone was brought out. They called it the Centenary Neophone. So it's Siemens Brothers Centenary Neophone. It was never used by the GPO. They at that time were working on the 700 series, which obviously includes the 706. But Hull Corporation did use this phone. I think these are fairly rare. Don't often see these now. There obviously are about, but they're probably quite expensive. They were used, as I say, by Hull, and as you can see, there's no letters on the dial, just numbers. So they were used quite a bit by the independents, the private firms for inter-office telephones in factories. I understand they also made a wall fitting version. This one is in good old black. It's non-Bakelite case. In fact, this was one of the first that's used. Is this new at the day, or at the time, plastic. Being black is probably fairly common then. They did make it in colours, and they also made a two-tone where the handset was a different colour to the rest of the phone. Funny enough, you do occasionally see these on old films, particularly old British films, and these phones are quite distinct. But having said that, I think they are probably quite rare still. Anyway, that is more or less all I've got to say about this one. I understand also that it uses a printed circuit board. I haven't stripped it down to have a little change, just show the phone, so you know when the picture of the phone comes up, hopefully when it shows it on YouTube it will show the phone as it is now. So any questions, please ask and I'll get back. Once again, many thanks. Thank you.